bat holds the ultimate power. Now that it is in our hands, let's be honest, my hands, I will wield the power of baseball, Philadelphia, and America as we know it.
Check this out.
Oh, this could be trouble. There's only one man who can help us. Light up the signal.
Phanatic!
We've made it.
We've been detecting an unusual amount of seismic activity across the city, the largest coming from Logan Circle.
We've summoned the council of the MVPs. What do you make of all this?
This is something we haven't seen before. The last time we felt raw energy of this magnitude was 1980 before that.
Who could be behind all this?
Our sources indicate the making of the vial of MacGuffin. MacGuffin is pure evil. She once tried to seal the crack on the Liberty Bell.
That monster! Nothing's sacred.
The mission is urgent and will no doubt be very dangerous.
Phanatic, baseball, the city, your country needs you. Are you up to the task? I knew we could count on you. Be careful out there, my friend.
Phanatic, we have a contact that's going to meet you at the National Constitution Center.
We'll be here on comms. Hurry, before it's too late.
Thank you for meeting me here, Phanatic. Look, we haven't much time. The fate of the entire country lies in your hands. Back when Ben Franklin conducted his kite experiment, a bolt of lightning struck a nearby tree. The wood became a spark of power that illuminated America's founding. Pieces of it were used in the signing of the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution here in Philadelphia. The wood also crafted the bat used in the very first baseball game, which has since touched the hands of the all-time greats. The bat's magic is infused with America's, and it's being kept here in Philly, beneath Ben Franklin's statue at the Franklin Institute. The 5 original squares of Philadelphia radiate with that energy. Look at this. That's right. It forms a baseball diamond.
That's why we're here. We detected that the bat's energy was entirely drained in a diabolical plot by MacGuffin. If we recover the bat, then she can't harness its power. However, if the bat isn't recharged by touching home plate at Citizens Bank Park, then all will be lost. Phanatic, there's no easy way of saying this. There's no one else capable of recharging the bat. We need you. Let's do this.
You have arrived at the Franklin Institute.
Thanks. You're the man.
I know.
Command, do you copy?
Eye in the sky, sir. We've got eyes and ears on you.
The last power surge was directly beneath you. MacGuffin is likely there, so be careful.
Copy that. All right, Phanatic, this is it. We need... Phanatic? Phanatic! Fate of the country on the line, remember? We can come on. Okay, we need to handle this discreetly.
discreet.
I've been expecting you. I was wondering when you'd arrive, looking for this.
How could you?
Now that I have the power of the bat, no one can stop me, not even you, Philly Phanatic. Now, which one of you goes first?
You underestimate the Philly fans. You may have drained the bat's power, but there's no atmosphere more electric than a Phillies game full of those fans. Their passion alone will recharge the bat in an instant.
Too bad they're back there and your stuff here. You will never make it back in time. I have already won.
What else do you have under there?
Idiots, get them! What do I pay you for?
Come on, buddy. Don't let us down.
Phanatic, you have 2.5 minutes, or else the bat's energy will be drained forever.
Destination set, Citizens Bank Park, the greatest fans in baseball.
Calculating your path. The most direct route is Broad Street.
2 minutes. Pick up your speed, Phanatic.
You're going to have to detour. Turn left. Oh no.
He stopped.
Phanatic, are you okay? Phanatic!
226 miles to CBP.
Phanatic, some henchmen have escaped and they may be waiting for you at the ballpark. They may be trying to stop you on the field. Be careful!
Phanatic, we're almost there.
60 seconds.